Okay. I know you guys would have been really dying to see this video, except I'm probably the last person to make one. Anyway, hi, I'm Eileen. This is Eileen Ashley, my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and welcome back if you're not. So what I'm talking about is my Jeffree Star mystery box. Took 2 weeks to get here. It usually always does. He's on the West Coast. I'm on the East Coast. Takes a while. So you guys have already seen, I'm sure, no doubt, a lot of videos. But let's see what I got. Stick around, will ya? And while you're doing that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button before you leave. I'd really appreciate it. All right, so this is the size of the box. I'm not going to turn it around because it's got my address on it. I did not open anything. I saved it for you guys. All right, so rumor has it this is his last box that he's going to do, which I'm not surprised because the last few boxes, like maybe not, I don't know, going back, all those mystery boxes, he was just giving duplicate after duplicate after duplicate, especially if you are into his stuff and you wanted to buy the mystery boxes. I think I got 5 of the, the O palette. I don't want to get myself in trouble here. So I guess he figured it is what it is. It's over or whatever. But I don't recall him really putting any of the new palettes in his mystery boxes. But I have all his palettes, so, I can't complain. But anyway, let's start. The first thing I got, which you guys have already seen, is that bucket hat. Right? That's what it's called. I got the blue one, which I'm glad because, I like pink, but everything I have from him is pink. So I'm kind of glad I got the blue one. I'm going to start with what everybody usually puts last, is the single shadows, because that's another thing he did, which I don't mind because I created palettes and I put them in my kit, my professional kit. So I don't mind that. So I don't know if you want to see. I don't know if I'm going to read. Wait, where's my glasses? Here they are. I'm old now. I just turned 56 yesterday. Well, May 5th. I don't know what day I'm airing this. But anyway, so I got Scene Queen. I honestly, I don't know if I have these. I probably do. 1985. Yeah, I got a couple of these. I got a lot. I'm just going to show you real quick. I'm not even going to tell you the colors. I got a lot in the mystery boxes. And then when I went to the opening of the makeup and meat store, and the first, 300 people, I think it was, got bags, which mine's over there, right there. See it? That had a bunch. It had so many goodies in there, and it had a bunch more of these. So I do have a lot, which again, I'm not complaining about because I like putting them in the Z packs. The cute little, is this a keychain? I don't know. From what I heard, it was a keychain. Oh yeah, it is. I don't know how secure that keychain is though. I don't know. Let me show you. Here, better off this way. You see where it hooks? I don't know. It's barely hooking, but it is cute. I don't think I would put it on my keys. I don't want to break the mirror or anything like that. So, but it is cute. My bad. I have another thing. Single shadow. I'm losing it. All right. I think everybody. Oh, wait. Oh yeah. Let me be perfectly clear. Lip gloss, which is always good to have, clear lip glosses. Oh, we got a few lip products here. Let's see. I have Cat's Meow in the Velour Liquid Lip, which I don't think I own. I don't know that I would even wear that. Oh, then we have, this is the Hydrating Glitz. I think I have one from him in Blue Balls. Hope I don't get myself in trouble for repeating that. Then we have, let's see, 2 Supreme Glosses. I think everybody got the same ones. Watermelon Soda and More Than Friends. I have Watermelon Soda. I have a couple of these because they were in my boxes, but I don't think I have More Than Friends. I mean, I could, but I'm not sure. The Watermelon Soda is like a pink. I don't think I have that. More Than Friends is like a purple. Looks pretty. And then, yeah, the Watermelon Soda is, I have it over there. I'll just take it out. It's like that. It's like a reddish pink, which I'm not going to put on because it won't match my makeup. And then a velvet, I have this, a velvet trap lipstick in Red Affair. I'll show you. It's a pretty red. That's like, oh, it looks so much darker. It's a bright red in the phone, but when I look at it, you know, away from the camera, it's a darker red. But no, it's a true red. Okay, a couple more, and then we are done. Let's see. We have the... This is the... sorry, guys. This is the Cotton Candy Crime. What is this? The highlighter slash highlighting blush, which I think everyone got the same one. I'm interested in seeing what this looks like on me, since I have mature skin and my pores and fine lines. I'm not sure how it's going to look with, you know, well, it's really pretty. It's really pretty. Let's see. Let's try it out. What the heck? Yeah, I'm not sure how it's going to look with texture. So let's just take it. I'm going to go like this. Do once around. Oh, look at that. Wow. That is beautiful. Hold on. Doesn't really match. That is beautiful. However, it does for sure. It does for sure highlight your texture. Anything like that, highlighter, anything that's going to bring out the shine, it will enhance your texture. It is beautiful though. If you don't have a lot of texture, that's going to look stunning on somebody. Okay, then we have an eye gloss, which I don't have. I have a few, like 4, I think. Wait, 2, 4, 5. Hopefully I don't have this one. Mood Ring. I'm not sure if I have it. And of course, it's got to be cut open. Hold on. Oh, I have little scissors right here in front of me. Yay. So wait, what was the different... Wait a second. I thought people were getting either... what was it? The liquid blush. Oh, probably this lip gloss. No, this is not... What did I get? Wait, I think it was the new shade of blush or some kind of lip product as the exclusive. And I don't think I have that lip product. And I certainly don't have the new blush. Okay, so let's look at this. What is it? Mood Ring? Mood Ring. I'm not sure, to be honest with you. I'm if I have this, I'd have to go look. Well, that's pretty. It's like a purpley color. I don't know if you could see here. That's really pretty. I like that. I don't think I have this one. Okay, we got one more item in here, I think. Well, let me count this, because I kind of feel like I'm missing that one exclusive that everybody said they either got the blush or they got this lip. And because I don't think any of these are new, right? Oh, I dropped one, I think. So there's one on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I am missing one. All right, hold on. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Where did it go? Maybe it's in... There's so much tissue paper in here. Maybe it was in here. Oh, I found it. It fell on the floor. All right, so it is the Stylus Pen. It's a pen and a stylus, which I'm kind of glad I got, because when I went to the opening of his store with my friend got the pen in his bag. I didn't get it. I was like, oh, I want one of them. So I'm kind of glad. I don't get what this is. Can somebody tell me what this is for? I'm sure somebody must know, right? This is the stylus. This is the pen. But what is this? I'm not sure. Oh, it's not to hang on. Is it? Maybe it is. I thought that was what this was for. I don't know. Somebody tell me, was I correct in it's to hang it? Let me know. All right, the last item is really packed in this box, and I'm giving it away to somebody. So I don't want to mess it up. I'm going to show you, because everybody knows what it is. It is the new mirror. My friend Zach collects his mirrors. I do not. So I told him he could have it. All right, somebody please tell me, am I missing one of those exclusive products? So like I said, I think it was a lip product and a blush. You got one or the other. But I believe I have all these lip products. I don't think there's any new. I'm going to have to go look now because I could have swore there was a new lip color that people were getting. And I don't think I have it. I could be wrong, but I don't think I do. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video. I know it is late. I get it. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you got it, what you got different than me, if anything. I don't know. Are you disappointed that he's discontinuing them? I'm going to guess a lot of people are not, and some are. I don't know. If you're a Jeffree Star fan of his makeup, maybe not him, but of his makeup, and you own a lot, then yeah, the mystery boxes are not the best to buy anymore because you get a lot of repeat stuff. I think the boxes would have been, what's the word I'm looking for? More exciting to people if there was like newer products in there, like Psychedelic Circus and Scorpio palette and all the newer stuff. Even Pink Religion, I know Beauty Bay had it in their box. I'm not sure if Jeffree ever put it in a mystery box. I'm not positive on that. Oh, look at me with my makeup running. I'm not positive about whether or not he ever put it in a mystery box. But even his skincare is great. I love everything I've tried so far. Like, I think that would have made it a little more exciting, but I'm not mad. I like what I got. I really do. Even if there are repeats, I don't mind. I usually tend to give them away. I have 2 daughters. I have a lot of friends. You guys, I give a lot of stuff away. So anyway, do me a favor. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and the like button and leave a comment below. If you don't know what to comment, just say hi. Hi. Because it helps in the algorithm. I'm trying to grow. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the rest of your evening. Well, it's evening here right now for me, but I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye.